In this video, we'll use one Jira ticket and walk through the 3 ways to trigger Copilot: assigning the issue, mentioning Copilot in a comment, or using the Atlassian automation to hand off work automatically. Here's the ticket we'll use throughout. There are 3 ways to hand this work to Copilot from Jira, so let's walk through them. The quickest way is to set GitHub Copilot as the assignee. As soon as you assign the ticket, Copilot starts working. Now, if your team keeps the assignee field for people, just mention Copilot in a comment instead, and you'll get the same result. You can also connect Copilot to an Atlassian automation. In this example, any ticket moved to Ready for Dev is automatically assigned to GitHub Copilot. No one has to trigger each ticket manually. Before Copilot starts making changes, it may ask a question or two. Keep an eye on the agent status bar for any questions and answer directly in the chat panel. Here, we're choosing the model and confirming the target branch. Once we reply, Copilot picks that up and continues. And if you find yourself answering the same questions repeatedly, that's a good sign to move those defaults into your space settings, which we'll cover off in the next video. While Copilot works, stay in the chat window to see the full streaming of events. You can see the actual activity log as Copilot reads the repository, creates a plan, edits files, runs checks, and prepares the pull request. You don't have to refresh, and you don't have to leave Jira to stay in the loop. Once Copilot completes the session, you can keep the workflow moving by choosing the right place for your follow-up. If you comment directly on the Jira work item, Copilot starts a new run and opens a new PR. If you want to modify or refine the pull request Copilot already created, continue the conversation in the chat pane. If you want to start a new piece of work or open a separate pull request, comment directly on the Jira work item. When the pull request is ready for review, Copilot comments back on the Jira work item with the PR link. From there, you can open the pull request in GitHub and review the changes in your repository. The team gets the handoff where they're working: Jira for the ticket, GitHub for the pull request, and a clear, ready for review checkpoint when it's time to review the code. That's the day-to-day loop. Start with a ticket, trigger Copilot the way your team prefers, answer questions in Jira, watch progress stream back, and review the pull request when it's ready.